quick tip for you. So if you have a garage or a shop like this or anything that you need to sweep and get clean, then what you'll want to do is not use this. This will take you forever. This is good if you have a small amount of dirt and you just want to be able to put it in the trash, what have you. But to get to that point, you're going to want something bigger, faster, something that doesn't wear on your back. When you buy a cheap little push broom, they come with the wooden handles. This is a 18-inch, just cheap push broom. I've had this thing for years. But the first thing you do is make sure when you buy one that it has this screw type attachment here where you can replace the wooden handle, because the wooden handle is garbage. What you'll want to do is you'll want to purchase a painter's pole so that you can put this on this head of this brush and then actually use it. When you buy the cheap ones at the store, like I bought here, buy you a painter's extension pole, because when the ones that you buy straight from the store have a handle about this big, and nobody wants to be brushing like this unless you're a hunchback or want to be a hunchback. So this allows you to unscrew and then tighten it back up, and then you can save your back and do some serious brushing. The other thing is this one collapses down to roughly about 3.5 foot and will extend all the way to 6.5 foot. If you've got to do a lot of brushing, you can basically stand completely straight up, and it allows you to do that. This is something that I have been using for years and years. One-time investment. I also take it off here when I need to use it as a paint stick, but this will save your back. Another little quick tip: when you put it up, I don't leave it like this because it takes up too much room. So when I fold it down, I keep my hand there, and then I tighten it up, and I always have quick, easy access when I need it. I can just extend it like that. If you push it down all the way, it's really hard to get your hand so that you can extend it again. So just a quick tip. Thought I'd share that, a little something. Very cheap. This was cheap. I don't know how, 20 years ago when I bought it, it was cheap then, it's still cheap. These little guys you can pick up for not a whole lot of money. Put the two together and you've got a really nice tool. You can sweep and sweep and sweep until you just don't want to sweep anymore.